Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can deploy WAN 2.2 on our AWS infrastructure. Let's get started. So WAN 2.2 is a model created by Alibaba and it's really cool. So without further wasting the time, let's get started. I have already created an EC2 instance. It is G6.4x large. So G6.4x large comes with 24 GB video memory and it is almost $1.3 per hour. Let me connect with it. Once you create this instance, you can drive with G6.2x large too, because these are cost-effective instances. If you will go to P5 instances, those are like $6 per hour and very costly. So I have already installed necessary packages, necessary models here. Let me show you one by one. So let me go to ComfyUI and the models, and inside diffusion models, you can see WAN 2.2 high noise and WAN 2.2 low noise. These two are mostly used. These are image to video, I2V means image to video, T2V means text to video. So for the text to for converting text into video, we'll using T2V, and it is FP8. If we will going to for 16-bit, we will probably need like more than 40 GB of RAM. So I'm using low precision FP8. I have already created environment, Conda environment. So let me activate it. Conda activate Python 311 and install ComfyUI. I'm just going to launch it. So it will take some time to launch our instance. So once it is launched, I will show you how we can run our prompt. Let's open ComfyUI GUI. So it is opening. This one is my prompt: a high altitude aerial scene above thick clouds. The door of a flying plane opens, wind roaring. A single person in a skydiving suit jumps out of the plane. The camera immediately follows the person from behind in a smooth, continuous tracking shot. Okay, so what I want is that a person is jumping from the plane and camera should be from behind, and when he will be jumping from the plane for the skydiving, the camera should follow him. So I'm going for 480p. Width is it is like 16 frame per second. So 16 frame per second means if you will multiply 16 by 5, so I want 5-second video. Basically it can create more than 5-second video, but the coherence is low when we are creating more than 5-second video. If I will open it, before running it, let me show you how it works. It takes my prompt like this, and the models which I show you are here, like high noise model, low noise model, and the clip and YE. So we are loading these models over here. Once we will be loading these models here, we will have a positive prompt, this one, and the negative prompts like bright colors, overexposed. We don't want these. And we are using some custom nodes which I will tell you in the description, in my video's description. These are my settings. I am using step 8. Once our video will be generated, we will decode it and we will save the video through save video node. Also we are using two LoRa's for our fast generation. The one is Light 2x 4-step LoRa, and the other one is, this one is high, and this one is for the low, and the node we are using is RG3. Okay, so let me run it. I have already done the configuration. Let me run it and see how it works. It is seen under the running, and under the ComfyUI you can see like request to load WAN2.2, and it will take some time. Let me fast forward it. Okay, now video is generated. Let's see how it works. Okay, going over there, video. So you can see this one is basically the last frame, so we will have to download the video. So I'm going to refresh what I have connected the server through FileZilla and download this one. This one is our video. Okay, it is downloaded. Wow, you see it? That's so nice. I have used some few models like LTX 2.2 and others, but the video graphics of WAN 2.2 are awesome. So let's create a couple of more. Let's make some realistic things. I hate writing prompts, so I'm using ChatGPT. Okay, write I don't need to read this full detail, so let me copy it, and let's create a landscape video. I'm copying over here and writing the 480p. We can generate 720p too, but because it will take more time, so I'm using 480p dimensions, width and height. Run it. Okay, so it will take time. Let's pause it and see our video. Okay, so our video is generated. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to refresh it, download it. It is downloaded. Let's see. Wow. So this is quite unrealistic, but this works. So it is a robot, and so what I wanted to show you is that it is a drone view. The camera movement is there. Humans are quite unrealistic, very large, and robot is quite large, so we can update our prompt to make for our use. That's it for today. Subscribe if you want to learn more about AI, like generating music, generating songs, creating podcasts. And if you have any more questions regarding this workflow and regarding the generating of this video, you can comment in the comment section, and I will reply. See you later then. Take care. Bye bye.